Hello guys! It's almost 100 and look what I made behind our house. For it's a feast. It's a feast when we hit 100 days. Look at that, yo. I made some flowers.
One day.
I made some flowers. This beautiful pattern. And this is the meal. This is the appetizer. This is the main course, y'all. So yeah. So yeah, this appetizer main courses. I'm gonna sit here. Yeah, I mean it looks beautiful even though it's made of wood. Yeah.
And guys, by the day 100, we're gonna build a new house.
Yes, and probably after we build our new house, I'm gonna move the graveyards like the graveyard you'll see. Like there's a wall in the graveyard. So yeah,
Let's put the graveyards right here.
yeah, that might be a good spot.
So nothing creepers gonna explode on it.
Yeah. The shipperonis.
By the way, we're gonna put our house right over here. So I'm just gonna clean it up.
We're just gonna move it there. Since we noticed something when creepers exploded near our house broke, and the farm too, the walls, the fences. So look what happened. And yeah, that's.
So I'm gonna clean this place. Gonna clean this. Dang, it's so hot. It's so hot. Ang init sa tingin.
And yeah, it even exploded the carpet on the pumpkin.
Ini-clear ko na yung spot sa bag. Kung saan natin lalagay.
Bet this. Bro, you don't need to clean up, bro. This is the perfect one. You just need some flowers. Flowers and like Minecraft. Look, y'all can see the explosions that happen.
Ay, ito Chilo, try mo to.
Look, there's even an explosion. Okay, I'll take that.
Where should we put the new house?
Maybe here, you're just gonna clean up some grass and some flowers.
Here?
Yeah, just perfect.
But it's so far away in the house.
That's not far, dude. It's just like a couple steps. It's perfect. I'm gonna start building.
How are we gonna build inside the house?
Oh yeah.
We're just gonna clean
Oh
up
my
this
God,
big
I can't wait.
bro.
Our dog is yelling because it's one of my favorites.
Are we done? Let's make a house with 3 floors.
Yes.
The third floor is our bedroom.
Yeah, and probably make a storage since.
The second floor we can make it the living room, and
Yeah,
the first floor storage.
Yeah. Ooh, a brown sheep. I bet I will need you, Brownie. Okay.
I think when I was 7, maybe 7, I think brown sheep is the ugliest color sheep. Most like it look like poop or something.
I want to design something big. Big house. Oh, I think it's the sheep that escaped from the explosion.
I need my new shovel. Oh my god, I'm hungry.
I need some connectors here so they can grow faster and make. I'll give it back to you.
I think this is a pretty big one, right?
Yeah, that's a big one, I see. I'm just trying to jump. I don't want to jump.
Lalagay mo dun, kukuha mo. Kuha ka daw onion. Gusto naman to.
How many wool do we have?
I'm gonna ready the supplies for tomorrow. But we out of stone, I think.
Quite a lot of
You grind lots of stone?
Where's the stone? Did you took it?
No, it's not in mine.
We only have 15, so I guess it's time to mine for you. Absolutely hate mining now.
You're not mining too long.
It's actually boring.
Not boring. I'm ready the supplies for tomorrow. I'm gonna get some.
Bro, can you bring me some torches?
Why not?
And I'm gonna make the good. I made the design from few years ago
There you go. There's that one.
with the fake,
Bakit po?
with like.
Oh, there's a freaking creeper right over here.
I literally made the design a few years ago.
There's a freaking creeper.
I know, dude. Make it follow you, not me. I mean, damn, dude. Dude, it went for the first one.
Run for your freaking life, bro.
Bro, I can't run. I'm freaking hungry.
You need food. You need food, bro. Bro, run. It's right over there, bro. Run faster. Run faster. Okay, I don't like running right now, though. Oh my god, it's night.
Okay.
Okay, bro.
I'm trying to design a design I designed a few years ago. It's like when I'm 8 or 7. I don't know. But I designed it. It's like cylinders that tip over and it's just above each other. It's like a pyramid of cylinder that tip over, guys. That tip
Okay,
tip
bro.
over.
Let's celebrate.
And I think I'm gonna do it. Just 3 tip cylinders.
Wait, I'm
because
gonna run first, so I'm in hunger right now.
Me too. I just need to stay.
I think we're not gonna celebrate this anytime, bro. Bro, look at this, dog. It's cool. Look at me, dog. It's cool.
Wait. Don't kill it yet, dude. Oh, that's actually rare.
Where, bro?
Not that.
Oh my god, that's
Bro, can you stop killing it with your own hands?
that's bad. Oh my goodness.
That's fast because he's rare. I cannot afford to die. I only have 1.5 hearts.
Wait, where's my
I'm
bow and
gonna
arrow?
mace it. Like, actually, I'm gonna mace it.
Wait, I'm gonna kill it with a bow and arrow.
Okay, just die. Bro, help me. He's following me, I think. Okay.
You stupid.
Mushroom. It dropped a mushroom, dude. Nothing special, not taking that. Dude, we can celebrate like right now. Let's go.
I'm freaking 3 hearts.
I'm freaking 1 heart and I'm still alive, Steve. Come on, so don't be so scared. Oh my god, this is the best ideal day.
Oh my goodness. Let's walk in the carpet first, bro.
I already walked in.
Oh my goodness.
It's so funny.
I cannot believe it.
Bye-bye. Honestly, this is my cookie. I died too. You're so stupid. You're so freaking stupid.
Not gonna lie, I think this is the worst ever. Now
Dude, stop picking up my stuff. Yes, you are. You're picking up my stuff. Who the frick is following us? Is it still night? Or this
Bro,
spider
it's just raining. It's just raining.
I think this spider just hit me for some reason because it just attacked me. It look okay. I got someone's who took my freaking mace?
I'll take your and I accidentally took you take my sword, my hoe, like that, and this is your. Did you take my stuff?
I don't know. Yeah, looks
Is my bow? Is my bow big? We just mix up. Oh, this is yours, and this.
Just died for stupid reasons, guys.
Guys, I think. Bro, this is your beetroots. And this is. Okay, bro, this is my. Bro, did you just give me the freaking beetroot and the seeds?
No, just give me the freaking beetroot. Get away. I don't have seeds, dude, in my freaking inventory.
And this is my boundary. And let's eat and eat.
Yeah, but I have to yeah, we can just eat this.
By the way, this is the bowl.
Oh, thank you.
And let's run for a while. Let's take a freaking ear, and I'm gonna go. Yeah, yeah. You hear me, guys. By the way,
I'm just gonna run around the house. How long does it take? Oh my god. Okay.
Oh, I'm just gonna run.
Can eat the beetroot. Oh, that is delicious.
Wait, bro, are you eating the steak?
No.
Oh
I'm just still running
my
around.
god, I'm still running.
No.
You can start on the house.
I'll take you after that.
Oh, I'm not taking damage. What the heck?
You're just
I need a
looking.
hunger piece. Hunger.
I need to be freaking hungry.
I'm just gonna.
Maybe 4.5 hearts are good. I mean 3.5.
I'm just gonna save this steak for later, and I'm just gonna eat this steak. I just saved the pork chop.
Then I need the pork. Now, okay. I'm just gonna.
Now let's build the house.
Okay.
Where are you at?
I'm gonna do it like
Wait.
cash have. So
Wait. I'm gonna take our stops. Now, so yeah. Should we leave this chest right here and just take our lead? No. Should we? Yeah. We need this here. We need iron. I think we need eggs. We need seeds. We need that for nothing. We need this. We need that for this. We need one. Okay. We need this. We need also one. Copper, blue, and a red, and a pan. And a food on. Okay, well, I get we need eggs. I'm not. There you go.
Okay, I'm just gonna make 4 more stone because we need it. I'm just gonna eat the pork. I'm gonna grab the steak.
Are you starting at the house?
Yeah, but the stone wasn't enough. The house is gonna be giant.
No, it's not.
Where the hell is my torches?
Oh, it's right here in my.
Can you grab them for me again?
Just grab it in the chest.
Bro, come on. I don't wanna like to waste time.
Ibayin mo na kasi laro mo, Til.
Where's the freaking torches?
Oh, wait.
Torches.
Take it already. Now I'm just gonna mine this chest. There we go. And where's my wood at? Oh my goodness, this is how we fabulous. Let's start at the flooring of the house. I don't like raining. Oh my god, I forgot I have a pool in the toilet.
It's gonna take a long time.
You can make the length of this house. It goes for 3 and this for 4. Height. Don't look at that. I'll get killed. Oh my gosh, but that's long stack of wood, though. That's already close.
Bro, can you give me another pickaxe?
Okay, wait. My inventory is full, okay? Can you get it? My inventory is full. What?
Okay, it's night. Come on, let's go sleep. What the hell are you sleeping like that?
I wish tomorrow doesn't rain.
It's still raining, so it's a like thunderstorm.
Oh yeah, it's not raining. Let's go. Now I'm tied up.
Bro, can you stop being loud?
I'm sorry, guys. Our sisters.
Very loud and very loud. Where the hell is the chest? I don't wanna grab any of that. What are you doing? This is the floor. Okay, something is up with your brain.
What? This is the floor?
That is not the floor. This is the floor.
Wait. Oh, now you get me.
Something is with that. Where the freak Texas?
You didn't tell me.
Anything? Like right there. If I would in the floor, I'll just place the cobblestone in the floor, dude. Okay, wait. There's no more pickaxes, though. There's no more. It's only one left, right? Eat the steak.
What the frick? My inventory.
What the hell happened there? I'm not going there.
Now I cannot wait to get my. And this dirt, I don't need much dirt as this. I'm not going to put my phone. There we go. Oh my God.
Uy, cellphone ko yan. Sino nagbigay?
So guys, I'm mining as much as wood stone I can grab because guys, the house is gonna be ginormous.
So the floor is gonna be stone.
No,
Huh?
have to change it first. Okay.
What is the floor gonna be? Wood or stone? Wood. So I just made a big difference.
First stop here.
No, and bye.
What happened here? My lord, what happened here?
What you gonna do right now, bro? That skeleton has skeleton didn't have to be there.
What money?
What did I? Throw the sunflowers out because I don't need the sunflowers. I'm getting them. The sunflowers because I don't need them.
Bro, we could just place them there. This. Yeah, not that. Okay, why the hell am I lagging? There we go.
Like that, bro?
Yeah, like that.
I made a mistake. I'm not gonna do it again.
This is supposed to be a door and then glass, but we don't have glass.
We don't have sound.
No,
Okay,
I'm just gonna.
trader.
I'm gonna just.
What are you making? What is this, bro?
House. It's like the YouTuber Cash House.
Oh. This sucks. I thought you were just gonna make it rectangle ba yun?
Rectangular.
Yeah.
Then,
She's gonna make it
right in the middle, so this can be like something, but we need to put all of the chests into a side. So it's not gonna be like. guys. Okay. I just wanna stay here. Oh yeah, the potatoes here.
Hey, voters, make sure to pick the gaps. There you go.
Nice, since it's likely to go to bed. I don't wanna go inside because there's a freaking cave.
Why do I have watching? Where should we go? I threw an egg in sofa. It then applied. Oh my god. Can you go? I need some. Oh my god. Oh yeah.
So the baby. Bro, can you mind me?
Oh yeah, I'm not my video. I'm calling though. I'm like you. Get mine. And get mine. Oh. There's that river right here.
I think it's this one. Oh, copper. What the hell is this? Oh, hi. Here is the coppers. We need coppers for no army because
Oh, copper. I'll get some copper guys. And I'm happy with it.
dude, just next to this is a freaking coal.
Four. Where are you?
Still mine because there's
Oh.
coal beside the copper.
I do not have a torch. I can get some torch.
Oh my god, this vein is huge.
Can I get a torch? Bro, can I get a torch?
Of course. Oh my god, bro.
Okay, I'm just gonna get the torch in my box.
Gonna reuse that, okay? Don't waste stuff.
It's night time already.
Already?
No, I'm just kidding. Oh, where's my bed? Oh, yeah, torch. I'll always get it why I'm happy.
Mine's a copper. Seriously? Okay. This is a lot of gold.
What am I number again? Oh my goodness.
Bro, stop scratching my feet.
Are you?
Okay, that is our little sister, guys. She is super annoying. Hello. See? I'm smart. Look, let me just look. Okay.
I mine 25.
I mine 41.
Ooh, a torch. I'm already a torch.
I'm here, dude. Let's go for the other two for the same thing, bro. Bro, the other two are here. The other two here. The other two tunnels, bro. Yes, since we don't have any pickaxe. Nighttime.
What?
Like, you're like a little hospital boy. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna start building the house since one stuff is there. It's not. I'm gonna do the roof. Oh, look. I know I do it.
Bro? Why is the day always 102?
Since because it hasn't been night.
Do we need ladders for the second floor?
Okay.
Oh,
I need pickaxe, dude. Can you make me another one? Just show my stuff. Why did you throw the freaking dirt, dude? That is still useful for the farms.
There you go, I made you pick.
Oh, sorry.
I'm just gonna put the copper in my inventory.
Who can the copper to in the chest?
What chest?
The new house.
Give me it. Papa! 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 We had so much iron. What the fuck is iron? No, it's not iron. We should put a torch. I think we should get sleeping. You're in the mines. It's night time.
Oh, it's not all. I only grabbed 54. I 52.
I have 29 here.
Give me.
Okay. I put it in your chest.
There's a zombie. Please, can I sleep? Class now.
What the frick?
It's with you, dude. I even told him I even said it's behind you, dude.
Oh.
Not like in the house. How the hell didn't see that?
What am I gonna do?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get this thing.
We were just not.
Why we have a freaking laptop? We have so much.
I fucking hate this shield because it's blocking my way. Look at the other stuff there.
I need something.
Oh,
Okay.
let's go to mine, bro. Let's go mining. Let's go mining.
Oh my god. Material. We need money. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go for the first two. For the first two, like here and here. Bro, that was my spot. Not that my lane. It's mine.
What? I didn't like it. I'm too hard, bro. I'm too hard.
That's fine. I'm like at 5 hearts.
Bro, I'm too hard. TWO. Too hard. Did you get it? And I'm gonna start and win.
Okay, that's just the guys. Okay, bye bye. Maybe? Bro, do you have torches?
Yeah, wait.
There you go.
I thought you're gonna get some.
Give me. Oh,
Oh heck nah, this is the
Okay, my pickaxe broke.
Your pickaxe already broken?
Yeah, do you have some?
No, I didn't have some.
Let's. Okay. So, we did like minecarts here.
Ay!
You're so nice. Oh, parang kailangan here.
This isn't not even, bro. What the heck? This is not even.
What do you mean? What the hell do you mean?
This is not even.
What the freak do you mean? What the hell do you mean?
Oh. Oh, that's that.
What the freak do you mean? Bro, can you give me some sticks?
I don't have. I don't have.
Dude, can you stop? You're so annoying. This guy is so annoying. Bro, there's no freaking sticks there.
Make some.
But I don't have freaking wood.
Get in my chest. Have some.
I need four pickaxe. Yeah. No. Actually, guys, this is look funky when you run. What the hell are you? Hello. Just gonna mine.
I forgot torches. I just get my. Bro, there's iron here.
Where?
Did you not see it? There's freaking iron.
Oh.
There's freaking iron right here. Get the
Wait,
iron.
wait,
Get the
I'm
iron.
gonna get
Get
it.
the iron.
I'm gonna grab that.
Bro, we didn't see that.
Do you mean? Okay, I can see that. I'm just too focused.
Bro, it's nighttime.
This thing just.
It's nighttime though.
I need iron.
It's nighttime.
I know, I just need iron. There's freaking gravel above me.
Oh,
There's no more. Only 6. 7. Oh. Can you give me the stone that you got?
Oh, Here we go, one stack and 29. Your chest. Are you here?
Mhm. Just gonna put the onion in the chest.
Oh,
Oh,
we're
shit.
here.
Okay, let's go. It's time to build the house again. We have to climb up all again. Oh wait, I can use the dirt as scaffolding. I'm smart.
I'm gonna get this.
I'm just gonna build the scaffolding first.
What should I call this? I'm gonna put in the a different chest.
Uh, stone arrow.
Okay. What the heck?
Oh,
What the code? Uh, what? Oh, sorry. Oh my God.
see, dude, this like a normal thing, just like the map. There's a chance that the creeper spawn here.
Yes, they are.
And then we'll start to build this.
So where should we put our bed?
I'm just gonna fly that.
I'm
I
gonna
forgot
make a door.
I'm gonna put the wall here.
I'm gonna make it. I don't. Go on the door. We need a door. I'm gonna make a door. Where's the door? Door right there. There you go. I'll build the door. What is that door?
This is supposed to have a wall. Oh, that is good. So, oh, okay, I can still reach it. There we go, a great wall. So, just gonna cover this in stone. Just gonna cover it in stone.
Wait. I'm gonna make that. So this can take over. That's a pressure plate. I made a freaking pressure plate. Hey, freaking trapdoor. How to make a freaking trapdoor?
Is it now?
How to make a trapdoor? How to make a freaking trapdoor? Oh. Should we move our bed here? There we go.
Bro, stop. That's not the part of the house.
Oh.
Okay.
I
So
made
there's a freaking wall here. That way.
Bro,
So this were gonna be some stuff. Wait, I know I have stairs. There.
stones.
This is like gonna be the living area.
Where are beds?
Beds.
Yeah, we need beds.
Some beds. Some beds. There you go.
We need our beds.
There we go. The living area. The seats. And I don't know. Oh, wait. Oh my god.
We need stairs right here. Upstairs.
Birds. Please. Let me for it.
What is this?
Wow.
Can you make us stairs? I'm gonna.
Please. Just wait. I'm just gonna design the first freaking floor.
Okay.
Oh, we can make a barrel. Where's the freaking wood? Did you grab the wood? No. Did you grab the armors? No.
I made stairs. You good?
No.
What?
We just can't wait, you know.
Clapping, clapung. There you go. Clapping, clapung. There you go. There you go. I think any minute now, some people is gonna spawn right here. My gosh! Can I please do something right here? Where's our bed? Oh wow! How did you make this?
I need trapdoors. Is there more access trapdoors?
I have 2 trapdoors. Where are you gonna put our bedroom?
Upstairs, I just freaking told you.
What?
I need one more. Or you could just place that in.
I'm gonna
Just gonna clear out my I don't think that is almost.
I'm gonna get my stuff.
This is my inventory. I'm just gonna place it in the very bottom because I'm gonna share it. I just need to do that. Just gonna put that there.
I'm only just putting some flowers, bro. I don't need this on flowers. I'm gonna kill my
Nice. Just gonna start on the second floor. I bet I can do something with this. Okay. I know I can do something. I just need the stone. I just need stone and scaffolding. And I just Bing bang. Okay. That is not gonna Bro, I need you to do something. I think I'm not gonna do second floor. I think I will do it like this, bro. I'm gonna place some more floor here, and there's gonna be the bedroom here, and just gonna stairs. But I need you to move this.
Oh, come on, dude, no.
Like,
Can you just do it in the living room?
you can just like move it here. That's fine with me.
You can just do it in the living room.
Yeah, but thinking about that. But if I didn't like it, you have to move right after. Stop this thing.
I don't like it already.
I need like 4 more stones, seriously.
Did you take the stones in your chest?
Yeah, I took it.
No, so Papa.
Just gonna place this down here.
It's gonna be nighttime.
Yeah. Broken freaking stop! You're so annoying!
I don't know, sure, nothing is
I'm going to sleep.
Oh!
One more thing, I'm just gonna bite this thing.
Dito ka kasi! Oh my god!
Yeah. I don't need to go up there. I'm just gonna bite this thing. I don't know, I'm not being okay, I'm not good at parkour. Yeah, but I do not like diagonal. Where's the bed? Ajinomoto. Ouch. Just gonna grab the beds. Just gonna grab the beds.
Oh, I cannot stop.
Don't try to die, dude. I broke the beds. Don't try to die.
Oh! Why did I just broke my bed? My bed right here. It's not a bed here.
Bro, give me the freaking bed. You didn't break it on accident. You break it on purpose, dude.
Oh, okay. You break it on purpose.
Yes, if you're gonna make the bed now, where's the bed?
I'm gonna take also this trapdoor.
Yeah, so we can make the double bed. Okay, now there's a freaking creeper trying to explode.
Where is that freaking creeper? Hey, you son of a freaking greenie and greenie and greenie.
Trying to explode on me.
Oh my goodness.
Luckily I didn't die. Since I know my accuracy.
Yes, a little. Oh my god.
Oh, come on. Basic parkour can do it. The question, where are you gonna build it? I want to build it right here, but
Where are you gonna put it? Did you watch the freaking video or not?
no, but I know how to, since I can remember well, okay? I just watched it 2 years ago.
Wait.
Like
I'm
2
gonna
years
check it
ago.
out.
There you go. Didn't have some freaking trapdoors.
Here, it's downstairs. Wait, I'm checking my YouTube.
Can you get me trapdoors?
Wait. Oh my god.
Bro, okay, just need trapdoors.
No, yesterday.
Bro, can you just grab me trapdoors?
It's in
Where?
downstairs. There's two. Okay.
Now I need more in stairs.
Like this, bro.
Stop building bunk beds like this. Place 3 beds on top of each other. Then break the middle one to leave a 1 block gap. Place a pale oak plank here. Add 2 stairs in the front. Now
Did you
place
watch
6
it or
pale
not?
oak trapdoors here. Close them and add 3 more in the front. Place 6 more on this side and close all of them. Now place 4 blocks down here like this. Break this block and place it on the block above. Place 2 pale oak planks, 1 down here and 1 up here. Add
Can you
candles
watch
on
it,
top of the
please?
block.
Oh.
Place a trapdoor here to hide the block. And add 2 more
Are you
trapdoors
sure
here
you
to hide the
know
other
what
one.
you're
Now
doing?
you've got a new bunk bed.
Yes.
Stop building bunk beds like this.
Probably
Place 3
this
beds
is
on
more
top of each
easier
other.
than that.
Break the middle one to leave a 1 block gap. Place a
Look at this one.
Then, dude, stop, leave YouTube right now. This video is gonna get copyrighted, so stop. So annoying. I forgot to build the freaking stairs. Oh my god.
There's a freaking skeleton in the freaking mountain.
Oh, wait.
Yes, sir. Yes. Bro, you are so bad. You can't. I have a bone. I have a bone.
Wait.
This.
We're gonna just grab some. I think I have to move the beds.
What?
I think I have to move the beds. How can I move them? Like just oh, just no. Wait, I can make my own bed styles.
Oh, thank you.
Wait. Bro. Oh wait, can jump? Oh wait. Okay.
Make the beds right over here. Like
I'm
that, so you
trying to
can
do something.
have more. What are you doing? Are you sure you know what you're doing?
Bro, you know, this
Oh,
Minecraft have no limits. So this shows your creativity had no limit. So I'll try my best.
we need the windows.
I know. Wait, I'm so dumb. Okay,
That's fine.
bro, stop. This girl is so annoying. You can just go there. No need another stair. See? And trapdoors to cover up the whole thing.
No.
Ouch.
sorry.
I need more trapdoors.
How about you sleeping, bro?
Let's open the freaking chapter. Okay, stop freaking hitting me. God. Annoying.
Now I'm gonna put my test bro. Bro, you can put your just right over here.
Oh. Where the hell did the freaking...
Can I make I try a window right over there? I'm gonna make a window. There we go. A window right over there.
Bro, do you have the other trapdoor?
Huh?
Do you have the other trapdoor?
Oh, here, I have one.
There we go, perfect. See, Minecraft has no creativity limits. See, it's nice. You can
How
climb
can you
up to your bed. Yeah, you just can close it. Oh wait.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I can close. Oh, it's still not morning. Oh, it's still morning. I thought it was
How
night.
the
See?
stairs? Where's the stairs?
Here you go. Oh shit!
Oh my god, you see it, bro?
Can you just close the bed, the trapdoor? See, it's nice, cozy. I can't see anything. See, it's nice.
I think we should put a fence right. Where should we put the stairs?
Stairs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's just put a ladder right over here.
Yeah,
Right over here. A ladder.
nice, our stuff.
I'm gonna put myself. I'm gonna put right there. And don't forget the fences.
There you go.
Look at that. You need cutting.
Mine is the lower one since I'm in the lower one.
And right there. I'm on this one right here.
Okay, you don't know what are you doing.
Why?
You can let this litter do this.
What? Oh, I know what am I doing.
Is it like that? Oh, look, this is so much better, dude.
No comments, but I'm gonna put this. Hey, hello, Billy, hello.
See, it's nice. You can even reach the barrels from here.
Oh wow. Now I'm gonna put my stuff.
What the heck did I put this one? Now I'm gonna sort the barrels with signs.
I'm gonna move my stuff.
Can you move all of the stuff here? Just all of the stuff, you know?
Are you kidding me?
Just come on, girl. I'm gonna make you a bundle anyway.
What stuff are you talking about?
A bundle. All of the stuff. Even my stuff too.
Your stuff is in you.
Oh yeah, just check. I need signs, what the hell? Nope. I'm just gonna put button of Sorry. Make sense. Y'all don't mind that. That's my oh, oars. No! Broken stuff. Bro, I don't know where I'm Bro, your chest is right there. There, bro. I don't know where I'm gonna put my chest. I have so. Bro, even my stuff doesn't fit. My stuff doesn't fit. Okay. Oh, well, we have stones. We have stones. This one. We need the extra pickaxe. Oh! Can you move the freaking chest? Oh yeah, I'm gonna put that there. Is that where then it's the wood going? No. This is just Wait guys, I'm gonna go another video because this is like 1 hour. So yeah, let's go.